Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the webinar. Today we have with us Dr. R.C. Lal, who is Pro Vice Chancellor at Dr. K.N. Modi University. Then we have Dr. Dipankar Sharma, who is Additional Director at Dr. K.N. Modi Institute. Next we have Mrs. Shalini Khatri, who heads the Placement Department. And last but not the least, we have Sandeep Gupta, who is the Registrar at the university. Now I will ask Mr. Sandeep Gupta to carry on with the webinar.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all of you. I, Sandeep Gupta, the Registrar Dr. K. Modi University, welcome to all of you in the very useful and interactive webinar organized by College Dunia on the topic of career goal setting and awareness. I also welcome to all the eminent speakers who will deliver their thoughts during this session. Your presence is showing that all of you are very much aware towards your career goals. The success mantra of any career is dream plus goal is equal to success. But only dream is not enough. Only goal setting is also not enough. Dream big, there is no doubt, but goals required action. Without action, you don't achieve your goals. I always give 5Ds mantra to all my students for getting success in their life: dreams, decisions, devotion, dedication, and discipline. These 5Ds always work in your journey of success. Dr. K. Modi Foundation provide the sky to fly. Give the strength of your wings, but try to fly is depends on your own. If you set your goal soon, take the right decision on right time, you achieve half of success which you want. Rest part of success need your continuous efforts in a planned way. Now I introduce about the Dr. K. Modi Foundation. In the year 1942, Lord Shri Dr. Kedarnath Modi ji established Dr. K. Modi Foundation with Dr. K. Modi Science and Commerce College at Modi Nagar. Lord Shri Dr. K. Modi ji was a visionary, educationist, socialist, and a dream provider. He was the founder chairman of Modi Enterprises, which is one of India's largest industrial house. The foundation has been established with a mission to be a nucleus of excellence in varied fields of education and social services with positive attitude, commitment, dedication, and the foundation takes pride in promoting Indian values and culture. Dr. K. Modi Foundation now completed their 75 years of excellence in education with 15 plus education institutes, 55 courses, 200 acres of land, 1,700 plus faculties, 36,000 plus students, 6,900 girls students, and 10,000 plus placements. After Shri led Dr. K. N. Modi ji, his younger son, Professor Dr. D. K. Modi ji, Chancellor of Dr. K. N. Modi University, is a youngest son of led Dr. K. N. Modi, founder, whose able guidance the university offer a series of technical and professional programs, which is BTech, MBA, MA, MBA, PhD, and all. Now I give you the details about the Dr. K. Modi University. Dr. K. Modi University take the approval in the year 2010 by the UGC Act 1956 under Section 2F and established by the Government of Rajasthan Act number 8 of 2010. The faculties in Dr. K. Modi University, which is running presently, the Faculty of Management and Business Studies, Faculties of Science and Engineering, Faculties of Law, Faculties of Architecture, Faculties of Social Sciences and Humanities, Faculties of Health and Sciences, Faculty of Education, Department of Applied Sciences, Department of Agriculture Sciences. In these faculties, Dr. K. Modi University offer various programs. In engineering, we have the 3-year diploma programs in computer science, mechanical, civil, electrical, as well as diploma in pharmacy also. In undergraduate programs, we have in engineering, automobile engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering. We have also in UG programs BBA, BCom, BCA, BCA plus MCA, dual degree program, B Pharma, BA, BLLB, LLB, BEd, and BSc. In postgraduate programs, we have MTech in Computer Science Department, Industrial and Production Engineering, Energy Engineering, Structural Engineering, and we have MBA, MCA, LLM, MCom, MA, and MSc. Dr. K. Modi University is also offering research programs leading of PhDs in various streams. The regulatory bodies where we take the approvals and the recognition, which is the Council of Architecture, the NCT, the Pharmacy Council of India, Bar Council of India, and the ICR. Very soon we will get the ICR also. The international collaborations and memberships, we have the collaboration with the Tribhuvan University, Nepal, Nepal Academy of Science and Technology, European universities, Okaya University, Indonesian universities, West Costa University, Nepal Pharmacy Council, and all. Now, I just introduce the admission policy of Dr. K. Modi University. We are open for all type of admissions now. The admission in Dr. K. Modi University is based on the basis of merit. Merit is determined on the basis of marks grade obtained in the entrance exam, in the qualifying exam conducted at the state or national level. In admissions, we have the reservations for SC, ST, and OBC categories also. No restrictions to admission by gender, caste, or religion. Dr. K. Modi University provide and their assistance for all kind of scholarships, which is provided by the Social Justice and Empowerment Department, Government of Rajasthan, as well as university also promote the meritorious students for giving them the scholarship, which is various slabs according to the percentage. We will provide the scholarships. Now, I just give you the details about the academic infrastructure available in the campus. The campus is situated on 42 acres of land nearby the Jaipur. We have in the university campus 65 plus classrooms, 62 plus faculty fully equipped laboratories, 5 studio halls, workshops, moot courts for laws department, 9 fully equipped smart classes, 5 seminar halls, drawing halls, fully equipped language lab, library, digital library, auditorium, video conferencing room, boys and girls common room, conference room, air-conditioned auditorium, video conference room, computer center, and all. We have the Wi-Fi campus and the ERP system for smooth functioning of the all departments. We have the PG research labs also. We have 280 plus computer systems, 3D printers, plotter, and for the security purpose, we have 175 CCTV cameras in the campus. Other than this, in the university, we provide 24 hours security, power backup, RO water system, digital classrooms, multimedia labs, medical facilities, ATMs, laundry, cafeteria, canteen, the modern gym, along with yoga classes also. In library, we have 900 square feet area with the titles of 6,780. Number of books, 65,000 we have. Number of journals, 32. 15 magazines regularly coming in the library for the students. E-journals, around 2,500 journals we have in the library. We have the Delnet license connection for the library. National Digital Library also, we are the member of NPTEL, fully automated library, and PhD thesis and dissertation also available for the researchers in the library. Student beyond the classroom. Not only we are focused on the classroom studies, we are focused beyond the classroom also. For this purpose, we have the mentor-mentee system. In this system, every faculty having 20 to 25 students as mentee, and they look after the student day-to-day problems. Either their problem is personal or the academics or any kind of departmental problem, they solve through the mentors. And we have the student clubs like cultural club, environmental club, social club, sports club, mass and media club, ecology club, student grievances sale, and proctorial board also. So you enjoy or you increase your talent through these labs. One another than this, every year university organize sports meet and tech fest like Ethiopia, where students show their talent. We send the students in various IITs, NITs, and nearby the universities for show their talent. We always organize industrial tours, expert visits, seminar, workshop throughout the years. We also focus on social activities and other student always contribute in it like blood donation camp, social awareness camp, and all that. We have also the network globally, and we are associated with various national and international universities as well as the institutions. Those are providing us assistance for betterment of our education. We are the member of Association of Commonwealth Universities. We are the member of International Network of 93 renowned institutes across the world for the development of business education programs. We have signed MOUs with EDCL for enrollment of foreign students. Or for this, we received many foreign students from Nepal, Afghanistan, Nigeria, and the Commonwealth countries. Accreditation by International Accreditation Organization also. Dr. K. Modi University recognized by the central as well as the state government also, and it is very proud to know that the university award best university throughout the years, like in 2015, 2014, and 2013 also. Once again, I thankful to all of you to listen me very patiently. I hope this interaction help you out to take the decision to set your goals. Me and my team will eager to welcome all of you in our university campus. Thank you so much. Now I request to Dipankar sir, please continue the webinar. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Firstly, I am thankful to this College Dunia portal for giving us the opportunity to interact with you all guys. As told by Mr. Sandeep sir, that Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation has 75 years of experience in the field of education, and around 36,000 plus students are presently studying in this university or Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation in different campuses. Apart from curriculum-based studies, emphasis is made on promotion of innovative-driven projects, interaction with industries, soft skill, and personality development, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our core values are knowledge, character, and values. We have to develop all these things to our students. We had a very strong alumni network all around the globe, and they are working in very top positions. More than 35 IAS officers have been produced by this great foundation, and our aim is to achieve global leadership in human development and excellence in the education. So if you are planning to join us, then there is a great opportunities to all of you guys. Now I am moving with the topic of this webinar, that I would like to say that the career goal setting is very important to grow. You should have a clear vision that what you want to do in your life. Secondly, you have to execute with full dedication onto the key points required to achieve your goal. You set your goal and find an institution that converts your dream into the reality, and for this institution will help you to find out those key points for your success. And in the Dr. K.N. Modi University, you will find the 100% assistance for that. Nowadays, it is essential to produce the students who are competent to face and solve the industry challenges. Therefore, we at Dr. K.N. Modi University run so many useful training programs to fulfill the gap of educational curriculum and the industry expectation. For example, we are running with the MOOC program, that is massive open online courses, that is in the collaboration with IIT Bombay and IIT Kharagpur, and our students have an opportunity to at least get 2 certificates in a year from these IIT, apart from their regular studies. So it's a very good program, and there is no fees for that particular program. Then we are running the quality education program QEEE in our campus. We are giving training to the student the latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, Java, C++, robotics, and all those things. We are trained our student to face the industrial challenges. In our curriculum, we include generally the industrial case studies to know better understanding of the subject of our student to the industry. As told by Sandeep sir, there are regular industrial visits in each and every course that student have to go to the industry. They have to interact with the people, the leaders, to know their challenges, their problems, and then we work out on that. Then the final year student generally doing the research project, all are based on industrial requirement. You will be surprised to know in that COVID period, our global school students, the student up to class 12, they developed the automatic sanitizer dispenser. And our diploma engineering students have developed the sanitizer tunnel. Engineering students are doing in the grade to making the process of sanitizer. So we found the challenges whenever we could get, and we work on it. Just you find one new concept here, the tutorial classes. Generally up to the class 12, when a student go to the school, they have the simple lectures of their subjects. But here we have the tutorial classes of the same subject, in which we divide the student into the batches, so that a student may discuss their problems to their faculty in brief, right? So they have the more chances to get the clarification on the topic, and good discussion will be there. And a smart classroom you will find everywhere, in every department, in every stream. There is a mentoring system, as told by sir. As a student enter to this foundation, we keep the 10 to 15 students under the mentorship of one faculty member. So a student can discuss their academic problem, their hostel problem with their faculty, and they will definitely help the student in finding out the solutions. So this is very good thing. Secondly, we have the counseling and career guidance cell in our each campus, that a student may regularly visit that place for their counseling or to discuss their career goals and how they can achieve that goals. We have the entrepreneurship skill development cell also, that our idea is to make the entrepreneur, because you can see the present stream. Our PM Saab is regularly saying that give the boost to the startup and prepare the student like that they can start their own startup. So we are working rigorously on that. We generally have a talk with the experts, had the counseling of the student by the experts on this area also. We have a very rich library support, of course, online and offline. We have both the media. You will find so many books of your helpful books of your course, and you will find so many journals, magazine, newspaper in the library. So regular guest lecture by industry experts, we do that regularly, and renowned educationist generally comes to our campus to deliver the lecture to the students. And now just we are facing some problem due to COVID outbreak. But in this outbreak, there were so many difficulties throughout the world and in all the sectors almost. But in the education field, we just take it as a challenge and opportunity, and you will be surprised to know that our learned faculty members find out the ways to overcome the situation. We conducted online classes by using the platform Microsoft Team, Google Meet, Zoom, and the Google Classroom platforms. We provide the e-material to our students so that their study cannot be harmed by this COVID outbreak. We conducted online examination. Even that we conducted a series of webinars. More than 100 webinars were conducted during that COVID period. And in this webinar, we associated our students with the faculty member and the industrial experts, our alumni. Then a team has been formed for that to discussion on a particular topic. So that in this webinar, our students have prepared their PPT and have give their presentation online. So the industry expert really appreciated their efforts that during this outbreak they did so good. So further, I can say that our campus is fully safe and secure. So you need not to worry about this COVID and everything. We are running each and everything regularly as in the normal form. So all these things that I just discussed with you all. Secondary, behind all those things, our Chancellor Sir, Professor Dr. D.K. Modi ji, is a backbone and a great motivator, real to all faculty members and the team of that working here. He is also a BTech chemical engineer and doing PhD and DSc, all these things. So see, he is really a educationist. He know each and everything that what we have to inculcate into our system at time to time. We had a mentor like Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal sir, former Vice Chancellor of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. And you will be really good to know that during this COVID outbreak, our mentor has interacted with each and every faculty member 5 to 6 times. That how we can improve our teaching learning process, how we can give the maximum benefit to the students. So we are working really on this rigorously to make the students so good and so bright. And our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. R.C. Lal is also here. And he has a great experience, about 40 years in this leadership quality. And we are fortunate enough to have his guidance to doing things so good. In our campuses, Modi Nagar, as told by the sir, 25 institutions we are running in the Modi Nagar Ghaziabad campus also. There are so many courses. So I request you all that you search us on online platform, offline platform. You can visit our campus, and I am very sure if once you visit our campus, you need not to worry about anything, and you will be definitely take the opportunity to get into the Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation Parivar. So all these with, I am very thankful once again to all the College Dunia portal and our management that give me opportunity. Thank you once again. Now I request Shalini ma'am to further proceed on training and placement part. Thank you. I think Shalini ma'am.
Shalini ma'am is facing some technical issue
in network,
so,
I think.
Yeah, so please continue.
I can brief you on that also. That okay. So I continue for that also. Just that I told you that we are giving so many trainings to make the student industry ready. Side by side, we had a proper training and placement cell. Those people are working rigorously on the placement of our student. As a student come into the final year, we start our placement process. We give them a training, especially in the personality development part and their how they can give their introduction, how they represent their things to the interviewer. So we start working on this for training around 36 to 40 hours to each student. One training is that we work on their personality development, and then second training we generally give to enhance their aptitude. Generally, all the companies conducted their aptitude test. So after that training, we start our this placement process, and our most of the student getting placed before this last semester. So our aim is to give the 100% placement assistance to all our students, and we are successful in last few years. You can see more than 125 companies have visited our campus, and the maximum package goes to up to 30 lakhs. Last year it was goes to 15 lakhs also. So students are placed in a reputed company, and we look as soon as a student gets selected, we just give them NOC as per their record and their attendance part to join the industry, so that we can observe their working there. If they are facing some challenges, have some problem there, so we assist them to resolve all those things. So it's a very good part. You will find a great placement opportunity, great academics here. Your stay will be really very safe and comfortable. We have a separate hostel for boys and girls. There is no issue for safety. We have all the CCTV surveillance in our campuses. So it's a very good thing that if you enter into this KN Modi Foundation stream, you will find safe and secure academic environment, good backup by the faculty members, a team of learned people. There are so many intellectual people, just you find out with their interaction. You, at the time to time, we conducted some program. I think there is some technical issue due to which it was quiet for some time. So I just told you that Dr. K.N. Modi University is Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation is really doing a great thing to improve their students. In our campuses in Modi Nagar, you will find almost all the courses like PGDM, BTech, B Pharma, M Pharm, D Pharm, and Diploma Polytechnic courses. So if you are nearby to NCR region, you can visit our campus also here in the Modi Nagar. You can reflect all those things are almost same overall. सो इट्स रियली गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आप सभी को मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, एंड आप सभी हमें जरूर विजिट करें, एक बार देखें हमें, जो मैंने आपसे बताया है, संदीप जी ने आपको बताया है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें आपको उससे ज़्यादा मिलेंगी, कम नहीं मिलेंगी. यू विल फाइंड देयर, एंड वेरी बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.
the seeds of caring and social service sown by one of India's most distinguished sons, late
Yeah, Dipankar sir.
I request to play the video of our campus so that a student can go through for that also.
Modi, leading industrialist and philanthropist. Under Dr. K.N. Modi's guidance, the movement towards providing quality academic and professional education started with the setting up of the first school in Modinagar in 1942. Today, in the responsible hands of the founder chairperson, Dr. D.K. Modi, Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation offers a network of 26 campuses spread across 200 acres in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. These institutions are home to 36,000 students enrolled in various courses, including 55 professional disciplines.
Dr. K.N. Modi Foundation always believed in imbibing Indian values, giving knowledge to our students which is relevant for the society, for trade, business, industry, or for higher education. Building up a character which is good and which is useful for the society, which is for the benefit of the society, and the student ultimately becomes a good human being.
With a glowing legacy of education spanning over 7 decades, the institutions running under the foundation are highly regarded in their spheres of learning. The visit by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. Radhakrishnan to these institutions is a testimony to this inspiring commitment to serve the society. The educational institutions at Modinagar have been visited by other eminent personalities including Dr. R. Venkataraman, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Dr. K.R. Narayanan, and the visit by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
I will have a goal and work hard to achieve that goal.
The university has excellent infrastructure with latest teaching aids. The whole idea has been to develop the finest infrastructure ranging from state-of-the-art classrooms, laboratories, comfortable hostels and residential quarters. Top-of-the-line and research-oriented faculty has been inducted for every discipline. Round-the-clock Wi-Fi connectivity, extensive computing facilities, video conferencing and multimedia-enabled smart classrooms make ours a high-technology, international standard campus. The university is recognized by UGC and has approvals of Government of Rajasthan, Council of Architecture, Bar Council of India, Pharmacy Council of India, National Aptitude Test in Architecture, and other professional bodies.
We focus not only on our students' development programs but also our faculty development programs, for which we constantly and consistently upgrade the knowledge of our faculty members and upgrade their professional and soft skills.
The university offers graduation, post-graduation and research programs leading to PhD in various disciplines. The courses on offer are
Hello everyone, I'm Taukolka from BSc Agriculture. Our university has a well-managed classrooms over the academic block. Our classroom provide us projector, fresh windows, air conditioners, and we have different lab rooms for all the respective subjects with available items and stuffs. Well, Dr. K.N. Modi University is one of the universities in Rajasthan where we get a live teaching class from the IITs. There is nothing more comforting than to have this hygienic, high-tech and comfortable classroom.
Hi, I'm Sagar Khandelwal. I did completed my MBA from Dr. K.N. Modi University and got selected through campus recruitment, and I'm presently working at ICICI Bank.
Each program is designed to match international standards of quality. A significant expression of this is the research-oriented work, which is an integral part of every syllabus. To provide a global horizon to the students, research scholars and the faculty of the university, Dr. K.N. Modi University has established international tie-ups with European University, Orkhan University, University of Nusantara, West Coast University, Tribhuvan University and other universities across the globe for students and faculty exchange programs. The university has IAO's International Accreditation. IAO's International Accreditation represents
building up
to develop the finest infrastructure ranging
facilities. The mess over here serves delicious and hygienic food with caring and affectionate warden and tight security control, also with the proper housekeeping, gym and medical facilities.
The cornerstones of the university's philosophy have been our industry connections. The syllabi of all the courses is entwined inseparably with the requirements of the industry. Senior industry professionals are invited as visiting and mentor faculty. The university involves students in the industry-sponsored research and provides hands-on training on live industry projects. This helps in securing placement of the students before they leave the campus.
Hello, my name is Sadiq Aminzai, student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Our faculty members make every attempt to encourage us to make us lifelong learners. They always emphasize on critical thinking and problem-solving skills by challenging us to question, reason, investigate and conjecture. Therefore, I am lucky to be the part of Dr. K.N. Modi University.
Dr. K.N. Modi University has an independent placement cell to facilitate campus placements and jobs for the students. We have got an excellent placement record. Majority of our students have been successfully placed in some of the most reputed national and international organizations and companies. In the past few years, our prominent recruiters have been
Basically, what we focus here is the holistic development of a student's personality in terms of the English speaking skills and the personality development programs. That's the thrust area of ours in this particular professional communication lab.
For a great and successful career opportunity, log on to our website www.dknmu.org or email us at admission@dknmu.org. You can call us at 0887501 0001 02 03 04 052840 or 09910 003 701 and 02. Our toll-free number is 1800 300 12010. If you have dreams and aspirations, come to Dr. K.N. Modi University. We not only make scholars of high academic excellence and competent professionals, but also nice human beings. Our vision is to become one of India's most respected self-financed education providers and a leading center of innovation and learning, imparting quality education across all levels.
आप सभी ने देखा हमारे जो वीडियो सारी चीजें। अब हमारे प्रो वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर आरसी लाल जी लाइन पे हैं, तो मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो 2 शब्द कहें।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू। हेलो, आप सभी का हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में स्वागत है। अभी डॉक्टर संदीप जी और शालिनी जी, डॉक्टर दीपांकर जी ने बहुत सी बातें हमारे विश्वविद्यालय के बारे में आपके सामने रखी। हम आप सबसे यही अनुरोध करेंगे कि आप हमारे इस सारे सिस्टम को समझते हुए हमारे एडमिशन लेना सुनिश्चित करें। आप आएँ और देखें, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स बहुत आगे गए हैं। हमारे यहाँ टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है। आप सभी जब यहाँ पर आएंगे तो आपको बेहद खुशी होगी और अच्छा होगा, अच्छा लगेगा आपके लिए कि आपने इतने प्रतिष्ठित विश्वविद्यालय में एडमिशन लिया है। आपके लिए यहाँ पर खेलने की, रहने की और हर चीज़ को समझने की पूरी तरीके से आज़ादी होगी, मौका मिलेगा और आप अपने जो आपके गोल हैं, जो आपने गोल सोचे हैं, वो आपके यहाँ पर पूरे होंगे। हमारा जो प्रशासनिक तंत्र है, प्रथम जो डॉक्टर डी.के. मोदी साहब हैं, जैसे कि डॉक्टर दीपांकर जी ने बताया, वो खुद ही एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं। तो ऐसी स्थिति में उनकी देख रेख हर समय हमारे यहाँ रहती है। तो उस वजह से हमारी फैकल्टी, हमारा प्रशासन और हमारे बच्चे सभी बहुत खुश रहते हैं और अपने गोल को प्राप्त करते हैं। तो मेरा आप सभी से यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सब लोग आएँ और हमारे इस विश्वविद्यालय की सेवा से स्वयं को आगे बढ़ाएं और अपने जीवन को सफल करें। मैं कॉलेज दुनिया के समस्त अधिकारियों का, अपने रजिस्ट्रार संदीप साहब का, डायरेक्टर साहब दीपांकर जी का और शालिनी जी का मैं आभारी हूँ, जिन्होंने आप सबके सामने विश्वविद्यालय के जो भी प्रकरण हैं वो रखे आपके सामने। आपने उनको सुना, समझा और इस आशा के साथ कि आप सभी हमारे इस पूरे सिस्टम को देखेंगे और एडमिशन लेने के लिए आएंगे। मेरा आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Delightful words.
Thank you.
So I thank everyone for joining this webinar, and I thank all the presenters for giving us so much information about such a wonderful institute. And I thank all the attendees for joining the webinar. Thank you so much.